my beautiful people, welcome to By the Sea Studios. This is our new studio, and this is the first time that we are doing a pour here, so I am very smiley and very, very excited. The first pour that we did when we moved into our new house a year and a half ago was called Three Ring Circus, because that's kind of how everything felt at the moment. And it's been a pretty wild ride. HOA has been absolutely amazing and stunning, and actually today is his birthday, so happy birthday to HOA. And I'm making him shoot a video because I'm so nice. But anyway, we did the Three Ring Circus when we moved into that house, and I kind of thought an homage to that, since this is our first pour in the studio, would be cool. But I don't want to do just 3 ring pours, I want to do 3 wandering ring pours. So that's what we're gonna do. We have a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas here from Artists Loft, and I forgot to bring pushpins, so I haven't pinned the back, but HOA has put some screws in the back for me. And all his handy dandy tools, and it works perfectly. So there's screws in the back of my canvas, but that's okay. But it is keeping it off the table for me, which is nice because it makes it easier to lift and tilt and all that good stuff. So that's a 24 by 30. It is taped and screwed, and I've painted the sides and edges, especially this top edge corner, to make sure that we do have some more coverage there. Oh, it's such a nice big table. I love it, HOA. Thank you. Okay, we have a beautiful rainbow palette for June, for Pride Month and all our wonderful friends. This first one started out as primary red from Liquitex, but it was a little too pink, so I added some Amsterdam carmine red to deepen it up and give it more of a red color rather than pink. It will get more red as it dries. It's the Floetrol in there, but that's okay. We have here Liquitex Cadmium Yellow Deep, which I love. Very, very pretty color. Beautiful. This is all mixed with my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol Pouring Medium. This one is, what is this exactly? Cadmium Orange Hue. Okay. All right. So that's pretty. Then we have some of our Feral Cloud mix from our lovely friend Kelly at Feral Art. This is Artist Loft Soft Body White with some Vallejo Pearl Medium and some American Floetrol. Now, I did bring this here in a much smaller container, and I couldn't find my Vallejo Pearl Medium, so this one has more Artist Loft, less Vallejo Pearl Medium. This one is Liquitex Basics Deep Violet. Very, very pretty color. And we have some lovely, lovely Golden's Payne's Gray, which I have been out of for a very long time, and I just got some, and I'm so happy. That's the Payne's Gray from Golden. This one is Liquitex Metallic Blue. Yeah. Liquitex Metallic Blue. Very, very cool color. I like this one a lot. And last but not least, we have some green here. This one is Liquitex Basics Metallic Aqua Green. Cool. All right, mound on a mound, sinking into itself pretty quickly. There we go. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, this is the fun part. We got 3 cups. We're going to layer 3 cups, and then we're gonna do 3 wandering ring pours. So this is a rainbow palette: red, orange, yellow, blue, green, green, blue, indigo, violet. So, all right, but we're gonna put white in between every other layer or so. So we're gonna start with a little bit of red in all of them. We're just gonna layer them the same, because otherwise this would take 5 hours. Okay, some yellow. Orange. Okay, we're gonna add some of our Feral Cloud mix, partially because I like the contrast between the orange and the white, and I wanna see what it does to soften it, but also because I want a barrier between the orange and the green, which is the next color. Because orange and green are not the best of friends when they get very close. So we have that barrier of white in between. It separates them, keeps everybody happy. Okay, I haven't used this metallic aqua green before. Now we're going to come in with some of the blue, the metallic blue. And then the indigo. Payne's gray. I don't think we're gonna get 2 layers in there, baby. We're gonna do another layer of white. I'm gonna do the deep violet. And I do want to put the red on top of there. I think we can get some yellow on there. Let's try just a little bit.
You got
I got plenty of room.
Are you kidding me?
We also have here a flow extender color, a base coat color. This one started out as a Blick ultramarine blue, and then I added a little bit of this Deco Art Galaxy, which is kind of a sparkly black, and it made it sort of smoky and pearly, which is kind of cool. All right, so let's move those over. Now we're gonna get our canvas.
Size.
All right, we're gonna put kind of a big area in here so that we have room to pour all of those. Let's tilt this a little bit. Oh, I don't have any tweezers. And I see things. Moment of truth. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
That I am.
There we go. All right. We're gonna do a wandering ring pour, and we're gonna go kind of fast. Okay, that's very cool. Loving all of this. Yes, beautiful. Very, very cool. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna start this one kind of over here.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this over there.
Would she usually turn it? Or the opposite?
Okay.
What if you put that one right between those two? Third one.
Put it in. Okay. No fear, right? Let's start over here.
The opposite way?
No. Well, maybe. Alright, so we're gonna start over here.
Okay.
Whew. Okay. That's pretty cool.
Remind me of tropical fish or tropical bird.
It's reminding me of roosters for some reason. Alright, we're just gonna put a little bit of this on our corners. Alright, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna go that way first. bring that back. Walk it down to the other corner. The screws are not ideal. They're digging into the plastic.
The table's so big I can only see really wide the whole thing.
I think we're done. I think that's it. You think we should lose some of this, or it's cool and balances that?
Yes. That.
Yes, lose it or keep
No,
it?
yes, keep it balanced.
Okay. All right.
I really like that.
We're gonna stop it. That's really pretty. Awesome.
Wow, that's really cool. I love those cells.
Sweet. This is all very, very cool though. I really love how these lines opened up and I could see all the individual colors like right there. We got a perfect little gorgeous spread of all of them, and then through here. I love how everything's opened up, but the lines are still nice and uniform. Nothing got squiggly, nothing got all weird and wiggly. We have a plethora of interesting cells and some more over there. And I'm kind of loving that deep violet that's in through here too. And of course the Payne's gray against that metallic aqua green and the metallic blue. Really, really pretty stuff. So this is kind of awesome. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I will shoot some video on my phone of the rest of the studio to show you guys what it looks like so far. And excited to be able to teach private lessons and have a nice big table with enough room to do that. And really, really excited about our retreat that's coming up at artlabretreat.com with Nate Bright and Just Janice. It's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited, I can't even It's going to be a lot of fun. So please check out our website at www.artlabretreat.com. And I think we're almost sold out. So if you're thinking about it, don't wait. Anyways, we will be back with our dried results. Thanks so much for hanging out with us tonight. Okay, so this is a couple of days later. We are still here at the studio. It's not completely dry. The center is still pretty wet, as you can see by how shiny it is. But this one turned out so cool. I love all of these lines and these cells, especially in the yellow and the orange and the red. It's so cool. And that background turquoise color is just beautiful. Again, these lines with this rip of violet coming down. Really, really beautiful stuff. So this one came out awesome. I'm really, really happy with this. I will show you next week when it's completely dry. But this is looking awesome. So we are here at the studio with the seagulls flying. Getting ready for our... Ooh, look, there's a whole bunch of little sailboats out there. I don't know if you can see. Cute. We're getting ready for our art lab retreat, which is going to be awesome with Nate Bright and Just Janice painting here with all of you guys. I'm so excited. So check out our website, please, artlabretreat.com, and August 5th, 6th, and 7th. So thank you so much. We'll see you guys next time. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.